So, have you seen how this AI tool, ChatGPT, is being touted as a
Yeah, hmm.
replacement for a 100K job? It's basically doing everything from writing emails to full-on blogs and scripts.
Right. And it's even managing customer service. It's kind of wild when you think about it, isn't it?
Exactly. It's like um, imagine an assistant that can not only draft emails, but also, generate entire content pieces and handle customer queries, the kind of stuff that used to cost a lot of manpower.
Yep, that's pretty revolutionary. But I mean, do you really think it can fully replace a 100K job? I mean, isn't there still a bit of a human touch needed sometimes?
That's a good point, but the argument here is more about how, those high-value tasks can now be automated.
Exactly.
It shows that with the right tool, you can actually streamline processes that used to require a full team.
Sure, but isn't that a little, I don't know, overly optimistic? I mean, can one tool really handle the nuance of a complex job?
Well, I think it's not so much about replacing every facet of a job, but it's like optimizing the parts that are repetitive and time-consuming.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense. I see what you're saying. So it's more about reassigning human creativity to more challenging tasks rather than eliminating human roles entirely?
Exactly. The idea is that by automating the mundane stuff, like drafting emails, generating content, or even handling standard customer interactions, you free up more brain power for strategy and
Right,
creativity.
indeed. And on that note, it seems smart people are cashing in on this technology by sort of leveraging it to maximize their productivity.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting how people are using ChatGPT to not only save time, but even create new income streams. I mean, earning money with AI replacing a 9 to 5 job is a pretty bold idea.
For sure. But here's my critique. What about the jobs that require interpersonal nuance or a deeper human connection? Doesn't the tool fall short then?
That's a fair challenge. Sure, ChatGPT handles the bulk of repetitive tasks very well, but when it comes to empathy or complex decision making, humans still play a vital role.
Absolutely. So it appears we're moving toward a synergy where AI and humans complement each other rather than one completely replacing the other.
Precisely, it's like using the tool to, amplify your own productivity. It's an upgrade to your job, not necessarily a total substitution.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it. In that sense, while this tool might replace some aspects of a 100K role, it ultimately frees up the human element for more strategic and creative work.
Exactly. It's a classic example of work smart rather than working hard. And that's what makes this whole trend so, intriguing and full of potential.
Yep, truly intriguing.